Want quicker access to your favorite gaming tools while playing? Let's customize the Game Booster panel by reordering the tools, so your topics are always within reach. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Scroll down the screen. Tap Game Booster Setting. Under In-Game Panel section, tap Reorder Tools. You will now see all the available tools used in the in-game panel. Tap and hold any tool, then drag and drop it to your preferred position. You can put your favorite ones at the top for easier access. If needed, you can repeat this step to rearrange other tools as you like. To see the result, open a game and then open the in-game panel. As you can see, now your in-game panel is perfectly customized as your selection for your gaming style. So why do we need to reorder them? If you use screenshot, record, or block edge panel often, moving them to the top means less time fumbling in the panel and more focus on your game. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.